uh, I interpret the term forthwith as to mean as soon as reasonably possible. The House sent it at the last minute to the Senate when the Senate was adjourning, and so the Senate was not able to take it up. But the Senate can always convene to take this up because this is not legislative matter. They don't need a call for special session. So what the Senate can do to comply with that phrase forthwith, which I interpret to mean as soon as reasonably possible, they can do the preliminaries already. Because they want to revise their uh, impeachment rules to include judicial affidavits to cut short the trial time. They can convene and revise already the impeachment rules. And after that, they can send a copy of the impeachment articles to Sara, VP Sara, so that the 10-day period for Sara to comment or answer will run already. So a lot of preliminaries, and they can also the revised rules can say that while they can authorize the Senate President to issue orders like requiring Sara to comment, to answer, requiring the prosecution to file a reply, and requiring the parties to submit judicial affidavits. They can put that in their rules to give all these authorizations to the presiding officer, to the Senate President. So a lot will be done while they are campaigning. So nothing, there's no waste of time, no?